Check out, to examine or look at the menu. Example, let's check out the specials before deciding. Dine in, to eat inside the restaurant. Example, we prefer to dine in rather than getting takeout. Order in, to request food for delivery or takeout. Example, we can order in pizza for the movie night. Bring over, to deliver food or drinks to a table. Example, the waiter will bring over your appetizers shortly. Take away, to get food to go. Example, can we get these desserts to take away, please? Fill up, to eat until feeling full or satisfied. Example, the buffet allowed us to fill up on a variety of dishes. Book in, to make a reservation for a table. Example, it's a busy night, so we should book in advance. Dig into, to start eating with enthusiasm. Example, let's dig into the delicious pasta. Settle up, to pay the bill or check. Example, we can settle up at the counter before leaving. Bring out, to serve or present a dish. Example, the chef will bring out the main course shortly. Pass around, to share dishes with others at the table. Example, let's pass around the appetizers for everyone to try. Narrow down, to reduce options when deciding what to order. Example, can you help me narrow down my choices from the menu? Top off, to add a finishing touch, often referring to garnishing a dish. Example, the chef will top off the salad with fresh herbs. Hold off, to delay placing an order or making a decision. Example, let's hold off on dessert until we finish the main course. Spoon out, to serve food using a spoon. Example, the server will spoon out the soup into your bowl. Check in, to confirm or register upon arrival at the restaurant. Example, when you arrive, please check in with the hostess. Cater to provide specific services or dishes to meet someone's preferences. Example, this restaurant caters to vegetarian and vegan diets. Tuck into, to start eating with enthusiasm. Example, let's tuck into this delicious pizza. Wipe down, to clean or sanitize the table. Example, after each meal, the staff will wipe down the tables. Pass on, to decline or reject a dish or option. Example, I'll have to pass on the seafood, I'm allergic. Dress up, to wear more formal or elegant attire when dining out. Example, let's dress up for our anniversary dinner. Scoop up, to serve food using a scoop. Example, the ice cream vendor will scoop up your favorite flavor. Warm up, to heat food or drinks. Example, the waiter will warm up the bread before serving. Plate up, to arrange and present food on a plate. Example, the chef will plate up the dessert beautifully. Hold back, to reserve or keep a portion of food or ingredients. Example, the chef will hold back some fresh herbs for garnish. Mix in, to combine ingredients together. Example, mix in the sauce gently to enhance the flavor. Finish off, to eat the last portion of a dish. Example, feel free to finish off the appetizers. Sip on, to drink slowly and steadily. Example, while waiting for the main course, you can sip on your wine.